Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking. Logitech headphone mic is not working. So how to fix these issues? So method first, check your microphone setting. Click to start button, type control panel. View by small and click to sound. Then guys, which is you using, select set default and then click to recording. So right click, disable, again select and right click, then again enable. And if you have a multiple mic, so Logitech select and click to set defaults. I have only one mic, that's why it's not highlight set default. If you have a two more, so in that case this is highlight and select any. Okay, then right click to properties and lessons, select configure RAM and inventory power. Then guys, level to first and full 100% and select 2 channel 16 bit. Okay, and both check to apply and then okay, and again okay, then close. Next solutions. So guys, update your headphone drivers. So guys, open any browsers and in search box type Logitech and your model number and download drivers. Okay, and then download like then type drivers and then enter. So all type in your model number also and then click to download. So very easy. Okay, then close it. Next solution, allow access to your headset microphone. So click to start, then go to setting, then privacy and security, then click to microphone. If this is off, so guys, on. Okay, sound recorder also allow, WhatsApp also allow, WhatsApp beta also, then close it. Next guys, troubleshoot audio. Right click to run this one, troubleshoot sound problems. Then guys, then this is completed, like this one completed. Then again right click to mixer and try to full 100%. Okay, and this is your microphone select which is you using, then close. Next guys, restart your Windows audio service. So same Windows R, type Windows services.msc, then okay, then click to Windows audio to click restart, then close it. Next guys, update manually driver. So right click to Windows icon, then guys click to device manager. Okay, and click to sound, and this is existing, and firstly guys select to disable. Okay, then select this one hardware, then again right click to re-enable. Okay, and then right click to update driver. Okay, I already updated, that's why it shows. Then guys, last method, then guys click to start button and type cmd and then enter. You can try to run an administrator, right click to run as administrator. So you're giving full permissions. Okay. Then guys, I have some command to repair your some corrupted Windows file. So this command I will give you in link in description, so you directly copy paste. Okay. First command is sfc/scannow. You look at in the screen. So when you enter some percentage like to start and find out to any corrupted file. Okay. And then second also check health your computers, and third also check, and fourth restore your health. Okay, so all four command is very important for your computers. Okay, and that all command I will give you in description, so you can manual type, otherwise copy paste what you want to do. Okay, so almost first complete, then second just a copy and then paste, copy and then paste. Okay, yeah. And then enter. Okay, now third. Then guys, complete your process. Fourth count also done. When your system restart, and then check your problem is 100% solved. Okay, bye bye, take care, and you comment me have any issue, so WhatsApp me, number is on banner. Bye.